Hi everyone, this is Ryan from Zoom. In this video, we will take a look at how to use the included drum loops on the R20 multi-track recorder. The R20 comes with 150 different drum loops across 30 different musical genres. Each one of these genres has 5 patterns for different parts of a song, like a chorus or bridge. When on the Edit screen, select the track where you want to create your drum tracks. Next, press the DRUMKIT button in the upper left portion of the window. You can drag the marker to where you'd like to place the drum loop in your timeline. Now, press the File button to the left of the scissors on the upper portion of the screen. This will open a complete list of all the rhythm loops you can choose from. Here, you can preview loops with the play button, and then add it to your session with the plus button. Repeat this process to create an entire backing track for your song. For more information about the R20, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel and visit our website, zoomcorp.com.